Shaw, 17 CF 369. Mr. Shaw is present from the Illinois Department of Corrections. Mr. Shaw, in your post-conviction petition, in your conclusion period, you, for your request in request number 2, you indicate that you would like to grant petitioner sufficient time and leave to amend this petition to add additional claims and supporting affidavits of factual material as his investigation continues. I'm going to grant your request for a continuance so that you may file additional claims as well as supporting affidavits of factual material because your investigation is continuing. How much more time do you need?
Excuse me, sir. My appellation is Cecil Shaw L. I will not be referred to as Cecil Shaw because I don't know if you're referring to the estate or I don't know if you're referring to who I'm in X relation to. I also need to know if the courtroom is open to the public.
The courtroom is open to the public and there are any number of citizens in here.
Okay, is the Zoom conference open to the public and is my family on the call?
I don't know who your family is, but every single person who's in the Zoom room is now in the courtroom. So again, my question is, how much additional time would you like to file your supporting affidavits of factual material?
Okay. Not being referred to by my appellation is antagonizing.
I apologize for antagonizing you. But again, my question remains, how much more time do you need to file your additional claims and supporting affidavits of
Say his name right.
Well, that would be based on me receiving the common law record. In these proceedings, I have not received discovery, so I don't have the common law record necessary to amend my petition, and I also need to be able to subpoena documents necessary to prove the facts alleged in the petition.
Okay, you're mixing up some terms here. You say that you didn't receive discovery. Well, you did receive discovery as a result of the pretrial matters. It's my understanding that you received transcripts of the proceedings of the case. So I'm not quite sure what you're claiming you don't have.
I've never had nothing. I didn't even receive notice of the charges, to be quite frankly, in writing. I haven't received any indictment. I haven't received reports or any information that was requested during the discovery in this matter. So,
well, that's not true.
That is true. And I've affirmed this for the record, but you continue to assert that it's not true, but you don't come with the facts necessary to prove what you're asserting. And with all due respect, I definitely need the common law record to be able to prepare the petition.
I don't know what you mean by the common law record. You received all the transcripts in the matter. The court reporter is here. I confirmed with her the fact, as well as the clerk, that you have received all transcripts from all proceedings in this matter.
I have not.
Ask him again.
I don't know how to respond to that.
And this is what I'm saying. It's essential for me to be able to prepare the petition.
Ask him to send it again.
And to prove the facts alleged in the petition.
I need to know how much more time you need.
It's not a matter of time at this moment. I don't have what's necessary to prepare the petition.
Come on, Cecil. You're going in circles with this dude. Bottom line.
Yes, once again, I have verified with the clerk's office that they have sent all the transcripts to you of the proceedings. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Shaw L., is I'm going to continue your case 90 more days pursuant to your request so that you can file an amended post-conviction petition. So I'm going to continue your case.
Objection. I cannot file an amended post-conviction petition without the common law record.
Ask him
I
to
do
send it to
have
you.
some transcripts that I received, but those are not complete. As being IDOC, the transcripts that came up missing
What
out of my personal property.
What transcripts are you missing?
The majority of the transcripts.
Well, I can't answer that question unless you tell me specifically what transcripts you are missing. If
I'm
you tell
missing.
me what transcripts you're missing, I can get them to you.
Okay, well, I'm missing the transcripts from May 17th, 2017, all the way up until February 2021. I also haven't received any indictment, any police reports, anything necessary, all the discovery under 412 that's necessary to know exactly what's going on.
Again, you were previously tendered discovery prior to trial.
I did not acknowledge receipt of any discovery prior to trial. That's what I'm telling you.
You're not acknowledging any receipt of discovery, but I'm telling you, you received it, whether or not you got it.
Okay, could you tell me, or the prosecution, can anybody tell me what date are you alleged I received the discovery? Because I have not received it.
Okay, the prosecution is not a participant to this event at this point because this is a first stage post-conviction petition.
So are these what you're alleging? Is these facts before you that you're alleging within your knowledge? Because I'm telling you, I've affirmed for the record in the affidavit the fact that I have not received any discovery in regards to this. I haven't even received notice of the charges.
In regards to the transcripts that you're missing, are you saying that you never received them, or are you saying that the Department of Corrections hasn't given them to you? Because those are two different things.
You haven't received them.
In regards to the transcripts,
Yes.
I've received the transcripts. I currently have May, June, July of 2020. Of 2021. But I have not, the transcripts all prior to that are missing from my personal property.
Well, I can't help you there. I don't know what you have in your personal property or not. I don't know what the Department of Corrections has given you or not. All I know is they've all been sent to you, as you just acknowledged, that they may be missing from your personal property.
Ask him
But
to
I
send
can't
them all
control
again.
what the Department of
Everything.
Corrections does or does not give you as it relates to your personal property.
Oh, they've been stolen. They're missing. So the only way I can get new transcripts is through the court.
All I can do is assure you that you've gotten your transcripts, that you've indicated that you have. Whether or not the Department of Corrections stole your transcripts or not, I can't answer.
I'm not asking you to answer that. I'm asking you to provide new transcripts from the court necessary to prepare my petition and to provide the discovery necessary to prepare my petition. That's all I'm asking you. I'm not really asking you to
Stop right there, Cecil. Stop.
be concerned about what's going on in IDOC.
You indicated that you're missing transcripts from May 17, 2017 until when?
Until February 2021.
So those are the only transcripts that you're missing, is that correct?
From May 17th through February, I do not have those transcripts.
Okay. Are you missing any other dates?
Cecil, tell him to send you every single thing to today.
From May 17th, 2017 through February 2021, all those transcripts, all those dates are missing.
I understand that. You've been kind enough to indicate that a few times now. My question is, are you missing any other transcripts?
Oh, yes, I am. I'm also missing,
Those are.
I'm missing the transcripts from March 13th, 2020 from Judge Waller's courtroom.
Okay. Any other transcripts?
That's it, far as I know, far as the transcript. But I'm also missing the discovery.
What I will do then is I will ask the court reporter to prepare the transcripts for the dates that you claim that you're missing. Where are you in the Department of Corrections?
You know what the fuck
I'm in
you at.
Dixon Correctional Center.
Is that your home institution?
Ooh, come on. No.
It's not my home, definitely not my home.
Is that the institution that you're assigned?
Tell them that's what
I'm
that's
not
what
certain of the question. It's the institution I'm in.
So if we needed to mail you something, would we mail it to you to the Dixon Department of Corrections? So the Illinois Department of Corrections.
Mail it to in care of the Dixon.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great. So I will get together with the court reporter. We'll figure out what the dates that you're missing. We'll get Judge Waller's transcript for March 13th to 2020, and we'll get those to you.
See, so you should
So,
ask them to send
as
you
it
every
relates to the
transcript.
transcripts, again, how much time do you need after you get the transcripts?
Sir, for the fifth time, I also need the discovery documents
When you send those,
necessary to prove the facts I'm alleging in my petition.
ask them will he
It's
send
all-
those.
it's impossible.
Discovery document.
To proceed with the post-conviction petition, and I have not been provided the indictment, all the police reports, all the discovery necessary, and I've been requesting this for years, since the entirety of these proceedings.
Now,
If they could certify mail me that as well, I would appreciate it.
Okay, anything else that you think you're missing?
ask them will he send it, Cecil.
Not at this moment. Yeah, just the entire common law record. That's it. I also want to ask you, sir, because I found affidavit of prejudice and actual bias against you, as well as a complaint with the Judicial Inquiry Board. I want to know if you can refrain from impartiality in these proceedings, being that I filed this.
Okay, I'm unaware of anything that you filed with the Judicial Inquiry Board. They have not reached out to me in that regard. Obviously, I'm aware of the prior motions that you have filed, alleging my bias and prejudice against you. Judge Peterson has previously ruled twice now that I'm to remain the judge assigned to the case. So is there anything else that you care to say today?
Just breathe for a minute, Cecil. Relax. Don't say ooh.
I don't need, but it depends on if the discovery is being provided and the transcripts are being provided. I also would like to subpoena some documents necessary.
What
Prove facts and petition.
What documents would you like to subpoena?
AT&T phone records, Suburban Estates renters records. Also,
While you think about the subpoenas that you'd like to have issued, why don't we give this a date so I can talk to the court reporter? We'll have the transcripts prepared that you claim that you're missing. Additionally, the Judge Waller transcripts. I'll talk to the state about a copy of the indictment and the discovery, and I will endeavor to get those to you. If I gave this, say, a 60-day status date to get you this material, would that be sufficient for you to review the material to determine what you're missing? And then you can create a list of the things that you want to have subpoenaed.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay,
I
so
appreciate it.
So I'm gonna continue this case to May 2nd. As I said, the court reporter's in the courtroom right now, taking down everything that we're saying. So, I will get together with her at the completion of the court call, and, I will talk to the state about, getting you the discovery and the clerk about getting you the indictment. So May 2nd at 9:30, we'll have another Zoom issue, another Zoom writ issue for you. And I'll see you back here on that court date. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, I'll see you back here then, May 2nd at 9:30. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, he told me, hold on a second. He waiting for y'all to log off, I guess. Okay, now.